what do we have here? Let's see. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. I don't know what's the deal with DHL. They took forever to deliver my stuff. Let me start with a small one first. Get this guy out of the way. Okay. Well, clearly they opened my stuff. So what do I have here? So these are just a couple of accessories. What is this though? I'm not sure. I ordered a lot of accessories. What else is? This is from my battery. My V-mount battery, so V-mount battery plate. I think that's it for the small stuff. Then I got here is just a cable from my red Komodo to the V-mount battery. What is in here? I think these are all just small accessories that I need for the big box. Take this away. Ooh, yeah. Coffee. I'm excited. This is our new edition. It's the Tilta basic ring grip. This is like for our DJI gimbal, but I'm gonna set it up right now and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, let's get to it. Ooh-wee. Oh man, don't this look sexy? Wow, so excited. This feels nice already, like really good. Okay. Man, this feels so good, man. Like, okay, I think this is the last piece in here. Yeah, this is the last piece in here. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up. I'm not really sure how, but I think I have an idea. Let's do this. Control on the right, so I think this guy goes on the left. And then this guy comes. You know what? I actually thought it was bigger than this. From all the videos and pictures I've seen online, I thought it would be like way bigger than this, but it's not. I like the size, it's small. Damn, this looks, this feels good, man, I'm telling you. This feels good, it feels very light. It's just, I love it. Hold on. This is my RS2, DJI RS2. This RS2 can fit on here, and I'm going to set it up right now so you guys can see. I'm probably gonna need that camera up there, but I'm gonna set it up first before I move that camera. So let's do that right now. Okay, move this guy there. Take this guy. Okay, oops, nope, wrong side. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna take off this guy. And then, look at that. Perfect fit. Great. The handle, the battery becomes now the handle for this, and it powers the whole system. This is so smart, man. DJI and Tilta. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, there's a bit of weight to it now, but I love it. I love it, man. It feels good. Okay, so I have the camera down now. I'm gonna mount it onto this, and we're gonna test how this feels. And bruh, I'm excited, man. Not gonna lie, I'm excited. Everything is balanced on here, and we're gonna switch it on right now and see what happens, man. This feels good. I feel good about this shit. Come on, baby. Okay, let's calibrate before we do anything. Okay, I think that's done. Man, oh my God, hell nah, man. Oh, hell nah, man. This actually feels really nice. Let me just change my mode here from pen follow to pen tilt follow. That's my favorite mode. I'm telling you guys, this just feels amazing. Oh my God. How the hell didn't I? It feels so light. Bruh. Nah, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna film this right now. The lighting is not good, but it's just to show you guys what this thing can do. Okay. Okay, so oops. I'm using a cinema lens. I don't have autofocus. But look at this. Just look at this. Look at how smooth that is. That's 24 frames. Wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna up the speed a little bit. It's just a bit slow. Yes, it's on slow. Damn. Okay. Gonna do a few more shots. And I'm gonna put them in the video just so you guys can see. I'm gonna use this as well. Yes, that's my speed right there. It feels so good. it feels really good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. These are my type of favorite shots. Like that, and then you. Guys, I think I've just found my favorite piece of equipment. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I think for the next video, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna do like a real life test. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly what exactly I'm gonna do. I might use the red Komodo on this with a bigger gimbal, of course, RS2 Pro most probably. Oh, I might still use the Sony, but like, yeah, it feels amazing, man. I've always been contemplating on whether this was like a good accessory or not, but like having it right now, shit, man, it feels amazing. It feels really amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait for the kind of stuff I'll be doing with this. Like, it's ridiculous. The crazy part is it feels lighter than moving with the normal gimbal, which I don't really understand. It feels so good, man. Like, bruh, come on, man. Let me change the modes here, and it's not heavy compared to the old stuff. You see, I can hold it with one hand, obviously not for a long time, and I'm a strong guy, but oh, it's not connected. That it. Okay, FPV. Bruh. Like, this is amazing, bruh. Woo, damn. Yeah, so guys, that is it for the unboxing. Like I said, I'm gonna go out there and do like a real world test. It feels nice right now, but sometimes on set, the stuff might just feel a little bit different. So I'm gonna take it out to set this weekend, and next week I'm gonna drop another video of how it went, testing this on set. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bow!